Welcome to the Digital Nomad Playbook. I'm Coach Gil Golden. In this short training, I'm going to walk you through a simple, proven framework for building a location-independent life, one step at a time. This isn't about shortcuts or influencer hype. It's about building income first, then designing freedom intentionally. This is the Digital Nomad Blueprint. Think of it as a roadmap. Not a straight line, but a system you move through, revisit, and build on over time. Each step removes uncertainty, builds confidence, and creates momentum. You don't do everything at once. You move forward one step at a time. Make the decision to start. Everything begins here. Before business models, before travel plans, before logistics, you must make a decision. Most people don't fail because they lack ability. They stall because they never fully decide. So step one is simple. Decide to start. Decide that change is no longer optional and that you're willing to take responsibility for creating it. Next, we move into the real world. Choose a business model. Freedom requires income. So you choose a business model that allows you to earn money remotely. This could be freelancing, running a business, remote work, or digital products. The model matters less than choosing one and committing to it. Here is a list of some of the most profitable models. Skills are transferable. You may already be closer than you think. Once you've chosen a direction, you'll need to invest in learning. Today, almost any skill can be learned online, faster and more efficiently than ever before. Take an advanced course, finish it, and pay attention to how you feel. If you enjoy the work, you're on the right path. If not, you pivot, early and intentionally. Find a mentor, and now you shorten the learning curve. Find people who are already doing what you want to do. Join communities. Learn from mentors who are where you want to be. This step saves time, prevents costly mistakes, and keeps you moving when motivation dips. You don't need to figure this out alone. This is where theory becomes reality. You start a side hustle, even if it's just a few hours a week. You apply what you've learned. You gain experience. You start earning. Momentum builds here, not overnight, but steadily. This step is about proof. Proving to yourself that this is possible. At a certain point, something shifts. You're earning. You're more confident. You see a path forward. That's when it's time to take off. This doesn't require perfection or complete certainty. It requires readiness, adaptability, and trust in the system you've built. Once you're mobile, the goal isn't to stop. It's to stabilize and expand. You refine your routines. You improve your income. You start thinking in terms of multiple income streams. This is where freedom becomes sustainable, not fragile. This is the step most people miss. You repeat the process. You choose another model. You build another stream. You evolve. Because you're not the same person you were when you started. This is how location independence lasts. This is the Digital Nomad Blueprint. It's not a shortcut, it's a system. Build income first, then build freedom, and keep building from there. Design your life without borders.